In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profits on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're looking to lock in gains on a stock or an ETF, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple, clear, and straightforward. Let's get started by opening up Robinhood on your computer. Once you land on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account with your usual credentials. This will bring you to the dashboard where you can see your portfolio and all your current positions. From here, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on the account menu. In the drop-down list, you'll see an option labeled Investing. Click on that to view your investment holdings in detail. Now it's time to choose which stock or ETF you want to take a profit on. Scroll through your list of assets and select the specific one you have in mind. Clicking on it will open up a dedicated page with more information about your chosen asset. Before you go any further, you'll want to check how much you've actually gained on this investment. Look for a section called Total Return. This figure shows you exactly how much profit or loss you've made since you bought the stock or ETF. It's an important step because it helps you confirm your gains before you decide to sell any shares. At this stage, it's a good idea to set a clear profit target for yourself. For some people, that might be a 10% gain, while others may have a specific dollar amount in mind. Decide what makes sense for your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Having a well-defined goal helps you make selling decisions more confidently. When you're ready to lock in your gains, click the trade button, then select Sell. You'll be prompted to enter the number of shares you wish to sell, or you can choose to enter a specific dollar amount if that's easier for you. Once you've entered the desired amount, take a moment to review your order. Double check that all the details are correct so you avoid any surprises. If you're satisfied, just click Sell to place your order. Robinhood will process the transaction at the current market price, and your profits from the sale will be reflected in your account shortly after. One more thing to keep in mind: profits are never guaranteed in the stock market. Prices can move up or down at any time, sometimes unexpectedly. It's important to stay informed and consider your overall investment plan before making any decisions. That's all it takes to take profits on Robinhood from your PC. Thanks for watching and happy investing.